Good morning, student. Today I will tell you about the physical feature of Africa. Africa is known as continent of plateaus because most part of Africa is made up of plateaus. The plateau which descend east side in steep type. So there it is called Karus. Page number 92 I am referring. Karus. And Atlas mountain in northwest side of Africa near the Mediterranean Sea. It is young fold mountain. Low plateau of central Africa. Plateau and mountain of east. Rift Valley and coastal lowland. These are the physical features of Africa. So some important things I am telling you. The plateau which are found in Saharan region, this is called Agar mountains and Tibesti mountain. These two mountains are found in the middle of Sahara. Sahara is the largest desert. In the desert, this mountain is situated. Agar mountain and Tibesti mountains. Lake Chad is also found in this area. And Central Plateau area are three types: Ethiopian Plateau, Central Lake Plateau, Southern African Plateau. Now, Central Lake Plateau, there are three main volcanic ranges: Mount Rwenzori, Mount Kenya, and Mount Kilimanjaro. Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest peak of Africa and it is always covered with snow because of its height. If you go southward, southeast side, there is a Drakensberg Plateau. Drakensberg Plateau is found in this area. Kalahari Desert is also found in southern part. Rift Valley of Africa. Rift Valley starts from Lake Malawi up to Red Sea. And in between, Rift Valley means crack of the earth. In east part of Africa, there is a long crack, deep long crack because of plate tectonic. So this is called Rift Valley. In the Rift Valley, length of Rift Valley is very long, 6,000 kilometers. And many fresh lakes are found here, like Lake Malawi, Lake Rudolph, Lake Tanganyika found here. Victoria is third largest freshwater lake of the world. Longest river Nile rises from Lake Victoria. So up to Rift Valley of Africa, you prepare, you see the paragraph, underline important things. Have a good day. Thank you.